Hey sweeties, this is Shanique with Need Technique. So today I am doing a collaboration with a company called LUVME. It's a wig review, a on-the-go wig review.
Now hold on, Neeks. I think you've forgotten something.
What did I forget?
We need to wish all the fathers out there a happy Father's Day.
Yes, I want to wish all the fathers out there happy Father's Day, and including the moms who's also in the place of the fathers, happy Father's Day as well. And I want to wish my husband, he's my biggest supporter, so thank you so very much, and happy Father's Day to you as well. Now let's get back on to this wig review. Now this is called the On The Go Realistic Glueless a Yaki Straight Bob and Bang Minimalist Lace Wig. This is 100% human hair. You can get this for $75.92. It comes in 3 colors, which is natural black, brown highlight, ash blonde highlights. Now the length, it comes in 10, 12, and 14 inches, and I did get it in 10. Now in this beautiful purple box, in LUVME, you get a baby hair brush, you get an alligator clip in the color purple, and a rat 2 comb, and also a wig cap and a bag, which says "Love Me for You." Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use my own wig cap, which is in the color black. Let's go ahead and slide it over this big head of mine. If I can get all this in here, this journey, you guys know I'm on a lock journey, and it has been a true journey, but I'm getting there, and I'm learning different things about this lock journey and what to do with my locks, even when it's those days where it doesn't look my best. So okay, we have it on. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay, so let me just give you a description in the inside of this wig. Here's the inside. Let me get the inside for you guys. Let me turn it around. Here it is on the inside. What I love about this wig, it has adjustable strap. And it has 1, 2, 3 combs in the inside. I love it. And it's a thick band. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And hopefully I won't have any challenges. So, let's go ahead and put this on. Let me make sure, you guys. Hold on 1 second. Oh, here it is. Okay. I don't wear wigs that much, as you guys can tell. Okay. So I'm going to put the band in the back and then pull the wig down. I got it backwards. So let's go ahead and readjust.
So if you're dyslexic, that look perfect.
All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and put this on the right way. And I got it on the right way. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Let me make sure that I have it on tight. I love the band. I love how thick it is. It's really durable. I love that. Let me get my brush. I'm going to put that down there. And here you go. Very, very pretty. Now, it does recommend that you do not dye this wig. Now, it has 150 density. It's 150% density. The cap size is circumference 22.5 inches. It's a glueless wig, and I love the density. Here we go. Let's go ahead and brush it. I love the bangs. It's on the go. That's what I love about it. Let me make sure you guys can see it up close. Here it is up close. Here's the side. I love the bounce on this wig. Love it. Love it. Love it. You can flat iron this wig. Let me go ahead and turn to the back. I'm going to scoot this out so you guys can see the side. Really cute. I love it. Let's go to the back. I love the bounce. You can't see the band nor my hair at all. Very cute, bouncy. Here's the side. Very, very cute. And back to the front. Now, I love the cost. If I have a coupon code, I will list it down in the description box. And I want to thank LUVME for sending me these items. And hopefully we'll be able to work together again. I'll see you in the next video.